Still in Westmoreland, 3 civilians were killed in 2 separate attacks between last evening and early this morning. In the first incident, a man and a woman were found shot dead in Dundee Cemetery in Betheltown. Their identities have not yet been revealed, but they're from Norwood in St. James. The other murder happened in Rosebanks, Bluefields. The charred remains of a 77-year-old man was found by the police and fire department early this morning. He's been identified as Sidney Hibbert. According to police, gunmen kicked open his door and shot him, then set his house ablaze. Meanwhile, another shooting took place on Ricketts Street within the zone of special operations Friday evening. A man was found shot in the thigh. Police took him to hospital. Still out west, residents of Mount Salem, St. James are reflecting on the effectiveness of the zones of special operation in the area. This as the measure was recently extended. Shamila Pullen has the details.
This week, the House of Representatives voted to extend the zones of special operation in 7 communities for 60 days. In Mount Salem, St. James, it's been almost 5 years since the crime-fighting tool has been in place. The House was told murders in the area have been cut by 64%, shootings 68%. However, residents are not so convinced about ZOSO's effectiveness.
The shooting they go along same way. Same way, not change. Only that that frequent like first.
So much technology they both know. As they make a move come as a man call in front and say them a come. We in Jamaica, especially the government, they use a back of time, an outdated system in the policing or fight crime.
For his part, Councillor for the Mount Salem Division, Kerry Thomas, says the measure has been working to an extent. He believes more intervention is needed to address social ills in the community.
What is required is you still need that softer side of the ZOSO, which find where the trouble spots are, the troubled people are, the people who are carrying tensions or feelings or issues for many years, long before the ZOSO, who still don't let them go. And until you can get into the people's mind to have forgiveness and to get some form of restorative justice, then you will still have a need for the presence of that hardcore policing and the extension of ZOSO.
The youths, them need to get job. They need to create some kind of assistance to the youth them up here. Take them off of the road. Yeah, give them something to do. Find some work, some handy work, any kind of work, give them to do, make come off of the road.
Interestingly, a curfew was recently imposed on Mount Salem after a spate of shootings, but the police insist the situation is under control. Shamila Pullen, TVJ News.